you spend thousands building your construction company's website only for it to sit there month after month generating 0 leads for you? If that's the case, that's super frustrating. Your website might look professional, maybe you've worked hard on it, spent a lot of money on it, but your phone is silent and your inbox is empty. Well, in today's video, I'm going to clearly explain the top 5 reasons why your construction website isn't generating leads. And more importantly, we're going to show you exactly how we're going to fix each issue. And make sure you stick around to the end, because reason number 5 alone is probably costing you tens of thousands of pounds every year in missed opportunities. So let's jump in. So reason number 1 why your construction website isn't generating leads for you is probably because you have unclear messaging. Let me just write that down. That stands for unclear messaging. Now, visit your website. You've got less than 5 seconds, just 5 seconds to capture their attention. That's all the time you have. So if in those 5 seconds, the website doesn't clearly tell visitors 3 simple things, and those 3 simple things are: what exactly do you do? Who exactly do you help? And how exactly are you different? If you don't know those 3 things, or if someone visits your website and they can't work that out, then it's unclear messaging and they will leave rather confused. So here's exactly how you can fix that problem. Firstly, your homepage must clearly state your value proposition right at the top. So you want a nice big hero image at the top, a nice big picture or video that starts at the top, and then it wants to have a display there of exactly who you serve and what you do. So for example, we build stunning, high-quality homes in Oxfordshire, delivered on time and on budget. Something like that. Or Oxfordshire's #1 home builders, something along those lines. So clearly list out your core services as well in the top menu. So maybe you want to say we do new builds, we do extensions, we do renovations. Make it crystal clear in the top bar who it is you actually serve and what you do. You also want to have a really strong call to action to make your messaging clear, like request your free quote today. If you have that also, that just shows people they know exactly what to do and what you can offer. Just remember this phrase: if you confuse, you lose. Reason number 2, your website may be missing social proof. Now, construction projects are really significant investments, so this is really crucial. Clients won't trust you simply because you say you're great. They need social proof. So if your website doesn't clearly showcase your projects or have client testimonials on there, those visitors won't convert into leads. So here's exactly how to do it. You want to showcase your best work in a clear professional project gallery. Before and after photos are great, they work incredibly well, but try and keep the after photos showing more, because you want to show real inspirational projects for your clients. You also want to have short, genuine client testimonials that clearly highlight your strengths of quality, timeliness, professionalism, things like that. And also, if you can, add short project stories or case studies that actually demonstrate your expertise and credibility. Even better, can you get videos from your clients giving you a testimonial? They work really well. So social proof will turn your visitors into actual leads. Reason number 3 your website is not performing for you is probably because it's not mobile friendly. Yes, that is a picture of a mobile not being mobile friendly. Now, right now, did you know that 60% of your visitors will be viewing your website from their smartphone, their iPhone, something like that? Now, if your website isn't mobile friendly, you're going to lose their interest straight away and their trust. They just won't view you as professional. So the solution is super straightforward. Make your website design mobile friendly first. Ensure all the buttons, the contact forms and texts are really easy to use on a phone screen. Now, there are many different apps that you can use for this. Just Google someone like semrush.com. They have special mobile friendly tests and checks that you can do on your site, and it will tell you clearly how to fix that. If your website fails the mobile test, your leads are going to be failing too. Reason number 4 your website is failing is because you've got no SEO strategy. Even the best looking website, it might be beautifully designed, but it's completely useless if no one can find it. There's a saying, isn't there, that where's the best place to hide a dead body? On page 2 of Google, because no one is looking there. So you want to make sure that you're SEO optimized. So think about the search terms that your potential clients are looking for, like builders near me, or as we said earlier, home extensions in Oxford. Very likely your competition competition is probably beating you to those leads if they're ranking above you. So here's how to fix it, but it's not a quick fix. SEO can sometimes take 6 months or more before it actually kicks in. Now first, you want to optimize your site for clear local keywords. So make sure that you've got the town that you're in, the county, and the key services that you offer. You want to make sure every page clearly mentions those main services and the areas you operate in. And then next thing you want to do is make sure you regularly update your site. Google loves fresh content. So put regular updates like short blog posts, project stories, FAQs. Google really rewards fresh, relevant content with higher search rankings. That simple fix alone can really boost your traffic and leads significantly. But SEO really is a specialist subject, and you need someone who's good at SEO to be able to come into your website and do that for you. It's probably not something I'll tinker around with yourself. But the reality is with it, you have to do SEO. There's no point having a great website if nobody can find you. Reason number 5 your website is not performing is because you've got weak or missing call to actions. Now, call to actions are simply buttons on there or text on there that shows people the next step that they have to take. And this is often sometimes the most costly mistake that construction businesses can make with their website if you've got a missing call to action button. Now, visitors, they might just be browsing and they won't actually take action unless you clearly, directly tell them exactly what to do next. Don't expect them to figure it out for themselves. They won't. They could probably get distracted and click off. So put in bold, clear call to actions on every page of your site. On the homepage, you may want to have it 5 to 7 times. And they simply want to be phrases like request your free quote now, and there'll be a button that you can push, or schedule your free consultation today, or download your free project planning checklist. Make the call to actions super simple, super clear, and use a nice clear form with clickable numbers, or even WhatsApp buttons can work really well too. The fewer the clicks needed, the better. Just remember that without a clear next step, visitors will do nothing. Now, as a bonus tip, have you ever thought about offering a lead magnet on your website? Now, that might be a helpful PDF guide, a planning checklist, a short case study they can download in exchange for their email address. If you go onto my website, you'll see that there's lead magnets all over it that's designed to capture an email. And this really helps you capture leads that you can then nurture into high value clients over time. So think about what that could be for your business. If you're struggling for ideas, go on ChatGPT and just say brainstorm a ton of lead magnets for my business, and it will give you loads there that you can potentially use and help you actually create them. So the good news is, if your construction website isn't actually bringing in the right leads at this point, these 5 simple fixes can quickly change that. Remember, you need to have nice, clear messaging. You need to have good social proof. You need to make sure it's mobile friendly, make sure your SEO is working well, and ensure that there are call to actions. Your website isn't just a digital business card. It's actually one of your most powerful salespersons that's out there, because people can come on whenever they want, have a look, and their website can really build some trust in your business. But I'd love to hear from you personally on this. What's your biggest frustration with your website right now? And maybe what's holding you back from making those changes? Drop me a comment below. I personally respond to every comment, and I'm here to help.